Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Hymas. This is lab 5. Here's my schematic, and here are my 3 check marks. Here's the truth table, and here's the board. So going down the list on 0, 0, my expected is to be a 0. So let's see, when switch 0, 1, 2, and 3. So switch 0, 1, 2, and 3 are all down. LED light should not be on, which is true. And that's for LED 0. LED 0 is right here. It's off. So now moving down to the second row. So flip switch 3 to the 1 position, and it should turn on LED 1 and LED 0, and it does turn on and checks out. Now going down to 2, switching LED, switch 2 to 1 and 3 to 0, and it does check out. LED 0 does turn on as we predicted. And moving on to row 3. So now switch 2 and switch 3 are both going to be up, and it should turn on the LED 0, which it's true, checks out. Let's see, now for row 4, we're going to switch all of them to 0 except for switch 1, which is this one, and it should not turn on the LED light, so it does check out. And that's because of the truth table of the XOR. So when it's 0, 0, 0, 0, it should not turn it on. We can confirm that here, 0, 0 from the truth table. Moving on to row 5. Put switch 1 to the up position, which it is, and then switch 3, and it should turn on the LED 0 when it's true. So now row 6, switch 1 and switch 2 should be up, and it should turn on the LED light as we predicted. Yep, that's true. Switch 7 or row 7. So I have switch 1, switch 2, switch 3 to the 1 position, and it should turn on the LED light. So all of these are up, and that is true. So now row 8, put switch 0 to the 1 position, and the rest on the 0 position, and it should not turn on the LED light, and it did not. It checks out. So now row 9, so switch 0, and then switch 3 should be up, and it should turn on the LED light. It checks out right here as well, so it's true. Now row 10, which we have switch 0 to 1 and switch 2 to 1. It should turn on the LED light.
So before you leave, make sure you got the videos, okay?
And let's see, move on to row 11. Row 11, so switch 0 to 1, switch 1 to 0, switch 2 and 3 to 1, and it should turn on the LED light if we expected down here. LED 0 is on, so that is true.
So it is
Now for row 12, switch 0, switch 1, switch 2 and 3, switch 12, so switch 1, 1, 0.
All right, people. It's
0,
called
0.
Digital
So it should
Fundamentals,
turn
week
this
5,
on.
chapter 2nd, half. I
LED
forgot to
0,
put homework.
and it is true.
And
So now row
lab
13.
7. Everybody
13.
should have this email.
So
Yes?
switch 0 is 1.
Yes?
Switch
Verify
1
yourself.
1.
This is the homework.
Switch
This is
1 1.
stuff that you need
And
for
now
chapter
switch
lab 7,
0,
the oscilloscope
switch 2,
tutorial,
0,
and how to set it up
That's true.
on your breadboard.
and then
Got it?
switch 3 to
If you
1,
did not get it,
and it
please,
should turn off the LED
that's
light.
what we can do.
And let's check, and it's true, so it does check out. Now row 14, so I have switch 1 0, switch 1 and 2 in the up position, and switch 3 to 0, and it should not turn it on.
Thank you,
And that is
for
true.
the breadboards.
Now moving on to the last row, moving all of them into the 1 position, should not turn on the LED light, and that is true. And all this is based on a truth table from the XOR, so which will be this green truth table right here, and that is the